Thanks for tuning in to Destination Bacon, where all roads lead to crispy happiness. And today's episode, we're going to be making fettuccine carbonara. I love making this dish. One, because it's just delicious, but two, because it quite honestly is very easy and very quick to make. I actually learned this recipe about 30 years ago in Dallas, Texas, from an Italian eatery. And ever since then, I have made this fettuccine over and over. So in Italy, for fettuccine carbonara, they actually use pancetta, an Italian bacon made from the pork belly. The main difference between American bacon and Italian pancetta, both products are cured, but the American bacon has another process past the curing, which is it gets smoked. So the pancetta is cured but not smoked. You can quite honestly get it at the grocery store if you want to. Some specialty meat markets will have it. It's completely up to you. They're both delicious, so either way you can't go wrong with this wonderful dish. Okay, for your ingredients, you're going to need some fettuccine noodles and bacon, of course, a couple of cloves of garlic, some butter, cracked black pepper, and some Parmesan cheese and evaporated milk. And of course, some chopped Italian parsley for dressing it. So while you've got your bacon frying, go ahead and start your sauce. You're going to add half a stick of butter and put it on low heat. You can go ahead and add your minced garlic to your butter. And garlic is optional. If you don't like it, don't add it. My family, we happen to really love it, so I like to use a lot of it. Up to your discretion. I have also added some fresh ground cracked black pepper, because we like black pepper a lot here too. Then you're going to want to add your evaporated milk, just a little bit at a time. And then you're also going to want to add some Parmesan cheese. You can actually grate it yourself. I bought some shaved Parmesan. You can actually even just use the kind that's grated in those cans. That really works just as well. So a lot of you are going to ask, why don't I use whole milk or heavy cream for the sauce? And I am just trying to make this recipe a little more heart healthy. And I like using evaporated milk, actually. It's a little lighter, and quite honestly, it just turns out just as good. Also, for my family, we don't drink a lot of milk or use a lot of heavy cream, so if I went and bought that, it would sit in my refrigerator and it would just go bad. These little guys, you can buy them and you can chunk them in your pantry, and they're good literally for years. So just offering you a few alternatives for other things you can use for your sauce. And you're also going to have your pasta water boiling. Nice rolling boil. We can add the fettuccine noodles now. Next, you'll want to put your bacon on some paper towels and drain all the extra grease. Okay, you're going to want to be whisking this constantly so that you melt that Parmesan cheese. Okay, then you're going to want to add your, after you've blotted the bacon, go ahead and crumble it, and then you're going to want to add it. And keep on stirring. So get that bacon in there and keep on stirring. It smells amazing. Cook your pasta so it's al dente, and then you're going to want to put it back in your pan And then you're gonna add your sauce. Your fettuccine is gonna be in the pan. And you wanna get all that creamy goodness in there. And mix it up really good. Now you're gonna wanna plate it up. We have our Whisk platter. And then you're gonna wanna garnish it with some Italian leaf parsley. And there you have it, Fettuccine Carbonara. So simple, so fast. It's a really great dish to make for the whole family. It doesn't take a lot or a long time to make, and we'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, here I go. It's really good, you guys. It's creamy, the sauce is creamy. And I love kind of that crisp, fresh flavor that the Italian parsley adds to it. And the bacon just adds a smoky, really rich, kind of nice flavor to it. Again, super easy to make. You ought to try this. Comment below, like, subscribe. Comment below with the types of recipes you'd like to see me do. And then check back to see if Destination Bacon puts your recipe on the channel. Thanks for watching.